We are on set with high-flying music video director Damien Sandoval.
In count to 5 and we'll go.
I love up-tempo vibes, but this one, it had that summer feel, and I just see like colors and fun, and it got some legends on the track too.
As in Tanto Metro and Devonte.
LA, our place, from a long time. Yeah, stay near and don't stay far.
Here in Los Angeles doing the visuals for Hot Girl with New York newcomer and Natural Bridge artist Royce.
As an upcoming artist, I think he's focused, he's willing to learn.
And he listens, he really take notes, and and he's a fun person to be around.
He's musical also.
My style is very versatile. Me having a Puerto Rican and Jamaican background and being born in Brooklyn, raised in Queens, I kind of grew up with a whole different mashup of music.
What's your favorite song from Tanto Metro and Devonte?
Give It to Her. Yeah, it's my favorite. And I kind of referenced that in the song Hot Girl as well.
The record is infectious. Summer vibe. Of course, we're getting into the summer season.
Natural Bridge owner Mark Pinnock hoping some of that enduring Give It to Her magic rubs off on Royce's project.
Pairing him with people who have credibility in terms of Billboard credibility, right?
Well, I'm a new youth, of course, new voice, and we appreciate that. And it gives us more leverage, so step up to the plate.
It's just another chapter in the book. He has a bilingual thing happening, so
Right.
he will know to bring it across to his audience. I can't say it will work for us. Tanto don't even know Spanish.
I'm just dabbling in each genre and just having fun with it.
The kid is special. In all fairness, he's special. He has that level of versatility that I haven't seen in a minute.
New generation.
Yes.
He has a new sound, and he's looking for new things that is happening. So for us, bringing our style and combining our style with his style, I think it transitioned into something great.
We have the girls them dancing, So it's a dancing tune, and especially for the girls. So you don't know.
For the ladies.
Yeah, we're for the ladies, all the girls. Yeah,
For the hot ladies.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
You had to know the place, any chance I can take you home tonight, girl.
And the proverbial list goes on for director Damien Sandoval's credits. He commands top fees, but as with Pinnock, remembers favors done before becoming a go-to brand.
He was like one of the first people to ever give me a budget. When I was coming up, it was genuine love, something you don't really feel in this town. I could be doing an action movie for the studio's $50 million movie he calls. I'll still make time to do a music video for him, for one of his artists, because he's a great guy.
How much of a good video is reliant on the kind of budget that you have?
Yeah, so I could make movies off an iPhone. It's more so, if the talent's good and they're bringing the good energy, we'll figure out a way to make it rock. And with Royce, it's never a complaint. It's never, second guessing. And then when you got me, someone who's experienced, who knows lighting, cinematography, and how to create a story, it's going to be an easy day today.
If you don't love the song, does that impact the video at all?
Yeah, it does. So I've turned down projects just because the song was kind of like not my flavor. And it's like, I would rather just be honest with the client and say, hey, I would love to come to the studio and hear a few more records.
Sandoval's popping palette, one of his calling cards.
I'm a big fan of colors. I'm a big fan of lighting. And when you see my videos, they usually have really crazy color tones or vibrant colors. And I really love colors in videos. I think it brings projects to life. So I always try to incorporate that.
Are video directors less or more important these days? Is it still necessary to have a video director on set to do the kind of work necessary?
Yeah, it is. Sometimes I see artists try to direct their own video and it's like, wow, what is this? This is horrible. You know, a lot of it is not directing. The directing is the easy part. It's, you know, having the years of experience, knowing how to light right and what lenses to use. There's more than just directing. Directing is actually pretty easy because you're just telling the person what to do, and it's like, okay, we're gonna go to the pool party, jump in the pool. Like, that's an easy thing to do, but like to know how to shoot it right and light it right, like that is the skill. So yeah, if you don't know how to do that, your video is not gonna look good.
Are there any artists in Jamaica that you'd love to work with right now?
You know, I just worked with one artist. I think his name was Stylo G. He was really dope. And like, one thing I can say about the Jamaicans, the energy is crazy. Like, they need LA needs that type of energy, because some of these artists out here, they're on their high horse walking in like they're too cool. Everyone I meet from Jamaica is like family, like, welcome, come on, like, and I love that because I'm that way too. Like, if you're someone I meet through a friend, I consider you family, because I know someone I know wouldn't just bring anyone around. So yeah, I'm excited I'm trying to get to Jamaica. If anyone out there, what's good? I've been to 37 countries, but I've never been to Jamaica, so what's poppin'? Come get me.
Watch out for the premiere of Hot Girl with Royce and Tanto Metro and Devonte on ER.
Moses, tell him energy up there.